Hi everybody, this is David with Rite. I wanted to go through and basically talk about the major changes with the R4 machines that we have new for 2019. One of the first designs that you'll see is, if you know anything about some of our older machines, is they used to have the motor on the outside and the control box down low. The whole entire hydraulics package has been moved underneath the machine, inside of the perimeter of the chassis. Plus, we've raised the control box up to a real user-friendly level. Everything's right here at easy reach. Second big thing that we probably see is a change to the Platen design itself. We've gone from a 4-inch side rail to a 6-inch side rail. That, in combination with some offset bearing guides on our Platen, reduces the torque on the Platen itself and allows for a real parallel closing, allows for a nice even uniform rise, and we're going to get a lot of juice out of the product, more than ever before. And the service life of this whole Platen scenario, lifetime. We're not worried about it tipping forward any longer. Next thing we have is we've upgraded the electronics. So all the electronics are the Siemens NEMA 4 full waterproof analog switches and buttons, super easy to close, or super easy to change out contactors on the back of it. They're really user-friendly and serviceable. The variable frequency drives in the box, we've gone from Allen Bradley to Schneider, which the track record that we've had with some of our older machines, some of the machines that have been in service forever with the Schneider products, brilliant. We like the uptick, the reliability that we're seeing with those products. And so those have been included in it. We have a digital pressure gauge that we're able to pull sensing off to get our press timing right. Whereas before we were taking our timing off the start switch, now we're actually taking it off of an increase in the hydraulic pressure. So that was something that's great. It's easy to read, it's very functional, and it lends to the programmability of the whole electronics. The added functions that we'll see, let's actually do the press boards first. So what we've done is the press boards used to be asymmetric, meaning you had one that was specific for the moving Platen, one that was specific for the fixed Platen. Now they're actually asymmetric. It can be installed in either location, front or back Platen. It doesn't matter how you put them in there. Just like so. Key slots on the pins that are on the face of the Platen itself. The bags are new for these machines now too. They're grommetless. Grommetless allows us a couple different things. We can machine wash and dry. So, because we're not rattling around inside of the machinery, and the stainless steel grommets that were on the old bags got pretty hot and they kind of wear out their own holes. It wasn't a great scenario for machine drying. Now you can do this easily because it's fabric only. The bags themselves actually hang from the boards, like so. That's giving us an additional 2 inches of filter fabric all the way up the press plates. So same size bag as what's on our old Model 100 machine, except for the cuffs on the bag. It's filter fabric all the way to the top. So that's an added bonus we got there. All right. So the added functions, what you'll see is we've added speed control to the actual press cycle itself. So we can actually slow it down dramatically and actually get it to where it's just creeping. So, which is really, really beneficial for that slippery produce, pineapple, cucumber, nut milks, for example, where you want a real slow expression to keep the silt out of the end product. This is a big benefit that we see. Secondary to the idea, or to our press, is we have what we call our pulse cycle. The pulse cycle actually, what it does is it allows the boards to come completely closed on press for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, they actually open up. That allows the juice that's in the core of the shredded produce or pomace to whip back to the outside. Kind of whips out and down. We press on it again for another 30 seconds. Expresses a lot of the juice. We open back up. The juice in the core does the same thing, wicks to the outside, and we get access to it. The whole time that's happening, the operator can be prepping the next batch or whatever. It doesn't need any intervention from the operator itself. Here's that backup cycle we're talking about. So this backs up just a little bit, allows a relaxation of the pressure that's on the produce, and allows that wicking action to happen. And then it's back on press like that. So we come open, and yeah, the only kind of the last thing is because our R3 shredder housing actually allows you to get fully behind the blade. We've actually opted to make it a one-piece stainless steel blade holder. The whole hub and holder can get balanced together. Virtually eliminates vibrations completely. And for the vibration that we're getting maybe during operation with produce and that, we've actually added a vibration dampener to the latch itself. Quiets down the whole entire machine. In a fast nutshell, that's the improvements to the R4. I'll post everything I talked about in the below in the comments. And awesome. See you out there. Juice on.